Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into ClickUp in 2025. Now, if you've been juggling tasks, projects, and teams, or just trying to stay on top of your personal to-do list, you've probably heard of ClickUp. It's marketed as the one app to replace them all. But how well does it actually deliver? Well, in this review, we'll cut straight to what matters most: ClickUp's key features, usability, pricing, and whether it's worth your time. No fluff, just what you need to know. First things first, ClickUp's free forever plan is still available in 2025, and it's a great starting point. It allows unlimited users and tasks, but you're limited to 100 megabytes of storage. This plan is perfect for individuals or small teams with basic task management needs. For larger teams or those needing advanced features, their paid plans, Unlimited, Business, and Enterprise, are where things get serious. The unlimited plan opens up access to custom fields, advanced reporting, unlimited storage, and integrations that make managing complex workflows easier. The business and enterprise tiers add features like custom permissions, advanced security, and priority support, which are great for organizations managing large-scale projects. Now let's talk about what really makes ClickUp stand out: its versatility. Whether you're managing personal goals or coordinating a team of 50, ClickUp adapts to fit your workflow. You can create tasks with detailed descriptions, subtasks, priorities, deadlines, and even dependencies to keep things moving smoothly. And here's a feature I love: custom statuses. Instead of being locked into standard to-do and done categories, you can create a workflow that matches how your team actually operates. For example, if you're running a content creation team, your statuses might be idea, in progress, ready for review, and published. This flexibility really sets ClickUp apart. Another standout is ClickUp's variety of views. Not everyone works the same way, and ClickUp gets that. You can switch between a list view for simplicity, a board view for Kanban fans, a calendar view for time-focused tasks, or even a Gantt chart to see how everything ties together over time. Dashboards let you customize an overview of your key metrics, so you always have a pulse on your projects. Collaboration is another area where ClickUp shines. You can add comments directly to tasks, tag team members, and even attach files or links. Need a collaborative space for notes or brainstorming? ClickUp Docs lets you create and share living documents that are linked directly to your tasks. It's like having a built-in wiki for your projects. Integrations are also a huge plus. Whether you use Slack for communication, Google Drive for file storage, or Zapier to connect apps, ClickUp fits right into your existing tech stack. Add an automation, and you've got a tool that works as hard as you do. Automations can handle repetitive tasks like assigning due dates, updating statuses, or notifying team members, saving you valuable time. Now let's address the learning curve. ClickUp is packed with features, and that can feel overwhelming at first. If you're new to project management tools or coming from something simpler, it might take a little time to get used to. But once you've set up your workflows and explored the customization options, it becomes a powerful tool tailored to how you work. The interface has improved significantly in 2025. It's clean, intuitive, and optimized for efficiency. Navigation is straightforward, and the sidebar helps you quickly jump between workspaces, projects, and tasks. While there's still a lot to unpack, ClickUp has done a good job of balancing depth with usability. In terms of performance, ClickUp runs smoothly for most setups, even when handling large-scale projects. Occasionally, you might notice a slight slowdown if you're working with massive datasets or complex automations, but overall, the platform is reliable. Plus, ClickUp regularly rolls out updates to improve speed and user experience, so they're always addressing feedback. One thing worth mentioning is their customer support. ClickUp offers a solid help center with guides, tutorials, and a community forum. If you're on a paid plan, you also get priority support via chat and email. Response times vary depending on your plan, but their support team is generally helpful and responsive. So, is ClickUp worth it in 2025? If you're looking for a versatile project management tool that grows with your needs, the answer is yes. The free plan is perfect for individuals and small teams, while the paid plans offer features that cater to larger or more complex operations. ClickUp isn't just about managing tasks, it's about optimizing how you work. Whether you're planning your week, running a team, or managing an entire business, it gives you the tools to stay organized, productive, and on top of your goals. If you're ready to give it a try, check the link in the description to try ClickUp for free today.